Today I'm going to be showing you how to get tons of SEO traffic to your SaaS product using Programmatic SEO. So Programmatic SEO is just making tons of pages, thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of pages, targeting different keywords so that you can get tons of high intent traffic. Today what we're going to be doing is just raw building in public, and I am targeting competitors. So the tool I'm doing this for is DMpro, which is right here, DMpro. If we can see here, this is another tool that I've already done it for, outbrand.design. Tons of pages in the sitemap, targeting tons of different keywords. Today we're going to be doing this for DMpro. So the strategy and the thought process behind this is let's target all of DMpro's competitors and try stealing their search traffic. So if someone searches competitor to DMpro alternatives, we want to have a page ranking for that, obviously promoting DMpro the most. We can show off some other competitors, but we'll make sure DMpro is showing up as the choice of the people. Another thing we can do is competitor versus DMpro, and we'll do that for tons of competitors just to help get that organic traffic. So what I did is I prompted ChatGPT. Again, this is just raw building in public, sharing exactly how I usually would do these stuff. So I'm going to use Cursor to build this out. You don't need to have crazy technology experience, coding experience, but I just put improve this prompt to give to Cursor, and it's just me ranting. Help me programmatically make comparison pages, yada, yada, yada. And then ChatGPT gave a lot more in-depth prompt that I can give to Cursor. That way, it's just higher chance it gets done well. So we are going to put that prompt in directly into Cursor. Cool. Now, Cursor is finishing up a task, and it looks like it's all done. So again, this is just showing off how vibe coding can really work, I guess, raw building in public. Cursor created 6 to-dos, ended up going through with all of them, and made the comparisons. So we check out, we have all these comparisons going on. Let's see where so in config here, we have all the competitors, little ups and competitors and whatnot. So just based off this, we will add a few more competitors that I know about, and we can do this using ChatGPT. Again, raw building in public. I'm just gonna keep that. So we'll go here to ChatGPT, add the competitors I mentioned to this config. It's caps locks, who cares? And then, let's see. So I didn't actually tell ChatGPT yes, so we'll just say add these competitors to this. Drippy.ai, xreacher. Okay, we just do that. That way it'll add in those 3 extra competitors. They seem to have decent SEO, so we want to capitalize on that as much as possible. Let's see what Cursor actually did. What did it actually develop for us? And here it is. So if we go in the footer, you will see right here, you have all these comparisons. And now this is the ups and downs of vibe coding, right? And then after this, the final thing is honestly just fixing the design, making sure there's the uniform branding from the whole product and the nav bar there. So we'll make sure we do that. So let's just go back home. So we have all these in the footer. Okay, the competitors are there, which is good. Cool, so X auto DM. Cool, so the reviews pages are up as well as the alternatives. And we will sort of fix these designs to make it look a lot better. But one big thing that I believe in is done is better than perfect. So we're just gonna get these pages up, and then after that we can go and put in more detail to it. Cool, it's deployed now. So you see here, we have all the pages working, which is perfect. And if we check the sitemap, they all should be there. So we'll go ahead, we'll submit these pages to Google Search Console so that they can get indexed. And we're gonna do tons more PSEO. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna do more building in public. So anything that you want to see me build, sort of growth hack DMpro and share the journey of growing it to an exit or just crazy MRR, let me know, comment below. Thank you.